These are parts for my sawmill, my band mill, that I've been trying to get built. Power plant end, idler wheel for the band goes on that end. Anyway, more parts for my mill. There is my 1-inch shaft I was going to use. My idler shaft, some other parts. There's some more inside this big utility box there. There's more of the band mill iron. Good heavy I-beams for the gantry. Like I say, I'm planning a stationary mill, not a portable. More iron, steel beams for my mill. I've got a few things here and there. Some more right over there. So I have plenty of building supplies for building my stationary mill. More things I planned on incorporating. Big bearing sets there could be utilized. The hydraulic parts. Electric motor to run a hydraulic pump that's in that tank right there. All electric if I want to go electric. I did sell a motor that would run my band mill electric motor, 240 volt 3-phase, but I don't have 3-phase here, so I sold the motor. Like I say, I do have assets that would help the process. Considered using this 2x6 rectangular tubing for rail from a log trolley. I'm not sure yet if I'll do that. That's 20 foot or so long there, 20 plus, 25 foot. I'll divide them two there, and I've got two more over there. That would be a total of about 100 foot of 2x6 rectangular tubing.